Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to type the trademark symbol on your Mac. Here is the quickest way. If you are using the ABC input source or the standard US keyboard layout, just hit Option 2. However, for some other layouts, like British or Japanese, you will need to press Option Shift 2. If you only press Option 2 on those keyboards, you might get the Euro currency symbol instead. Now, if neither of those methods worked for you, here is a universal solution. You can open the Emoji and Symbols window by pressing Ctrl-Command-Space. Then, just type TM into the search bar. You will see the trademark symbol appear right there. Simply double-click on it, and it will insert the character right where you are typing. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.